Thanks for dropping in. Last week I released this pop-up gift card box, a fancy way to share gift cards. But what about presents of the less card-shaped variety? For that, I'm releasing a new collection of twist lock boxes. If you've seen my previous twist lock box designs, you know what's going to happen next. These boxes can't be opened by pulling or twisting the lid. Instead, you need to rotate the decorative topper, which activates a secret rack and pinion mechanism. Only then will the box open. But for these twist lock presents, I made one big change to the mechanism. Did you spot it? There's no visible latches on the outside. Instead, when you twist the topper, the latches are pulled inward, leaving a nice clean surface on the outside of the box. These hidden latches were inspired by some awesome twist lock box remixes posted by Gerald Tielke. I'll link to those remixes in the video description. I also learned that, in a case of nearly simultaneous invention, 3D Printing World also released their own present-themed box with a cool twist-on-lock mechanism. Their design uses compression springs and print-in-place gears. It's great seeing how many different ways you can solve the same mechanical challenge. A link to 3D Printing World's design will also be in the video description. Okay, back to this design. Of course, I couldn't stick to one single box shape or size. First, there's the standard square box, which is available in small, medium, and large sizes. Next are these flat boxes, which are available in medium and large. The flat boxes are great for letters, photos, stickers, and of course, gift cards. In fact, I made sure that this larger flat box would be big enough for the giant non-standard gift cards that are completely impractical for my pop-up gift card box. Ah, Luigi. The customization goes even further. You can choose between 4 toppers: a round ribbon, a flat ribbon, a snowflake, and a Christmas tree. Actually, these boxes are compatible with all the existing toppers. Do you want your gift to be guarded by a Bulbasaur or a Nazgul? Easy. The reverse is also true if, for example, you'd like to turn a hexagonal twist lock box into a present. Just remove the existing topper and slap on a festive alternative. The steps to assemble this box are mostly unchanged, so I'm just going to cover what's new or what really bears repeating. The first thing you'll notice is that the base and the lid have these new slots for ribbons. Be absolutely certain that you print the right size ribbons for the box you plan to assemble. I'd recommend test fitting each ribbon, and once you're sure they're going to fit, go ahead and glue them in. The ribbons on the lid are quite a bit looser, so these ones definitely need glue. While you're assembling the box, make sure you glue the lid to the spring to the central pinion gear, and the gear to the topper. This will hold the whole mechanism in place, and it will avoid a situation where the mechanism falls out and leaves the box in an unopenable state. That's also why you should avoid test fitting the lid on the base until you know that all these parts are completely secure. Keep in mind that the latching mechanism now pulls the latches into the box, so their starting state should be against the outer wall of the lid. You should still pre-tension the spring by 1 notch. Without that, the latches won't have enough force in their starting position to really hold on to the base. I've switched to using hot glue for the topper because you can fudge how tightly the topper fits, and if desired, you can even pry the topper off and switch it out with a new design. And there we go. This project led me to break open a few rolls of filament that I don't typically use, including some new Protopasta PLA, not sponsored. Some of the colors are from Protopasta's new recycled filament line, and I'm glad to say I can't tell which colors are the recycled stuff and which ones aren't. If this is the quality that can come from recycled filament, I hope more manufacturers consider offering something similar. Before ending the video, I have a quick update on 2 recent projects. The mechanical traffic light now has a play-safe option without any actual wires or lights. This uses holographic vinyl for the colors, but acrylic paint would work just as well. Next, the pop-up gift card box has been updated with this revised card holder piece. It can now be printed without supports, which means that the entire project is now supports-free. I'm not sure how I missed this improvement last week, but now that it's done, the solution is obvious. Well, that's it for now, so until next time, happy printing and thanks for stopping by. Oh, you're still here? Okay, well since you stuck around, I'll show you a bonus print. This little Nutcracker topper is remixed from an excellent model posted way back in 2015 by Dream 3D. I just added a base and a little twist lock connector. So now this guy can sit on any twist lock box or twist lock present. I'll include a link to the remix and the original in the video description. Okay, bye!